Okay, welcome back. Surf launching Southern Africa. This is the coolest channel because it grows by itself. Even if I don't post videos here, videos that are on here are so cool for everybody to watch and learn from skippers that are going through those waves every day like that. This is a cool channel for those people, and everyone seems to enjoy it. But yeah, we're going to take a new slant. We're going to join Greg Wheatley, who took on the mammoth task of repairing his transom. Hey, big job, boy. Okay, let's have a chat to Greg quick.
Hey, Sean, how's it? I wanted to share something with you. Maybe it can help other people. On my Supercat, the transom, the timber got some rottenness in it. My own fault. I didn't attend to it early enough. So I was faced with a dilemma. Either crusa board or plywood. And then I learned about this liquid transom. I searched high and low. I couldn't find it. Anyway, so I spoke to a chap. His name's Craig from, I think it's something resins and chemicals. And he put a concoction together. In the video, you'll see what he added to the resin. It's different kinds of fibers and things. So the short and long of it, if you look at just watch those videos and try and put A and B together and come out with X, Y, and Z. This is what I did. Managed to chop it all out. And we tried chainsaws and everything to get those laminations of marine ply out of the transom in situ. I didn't want to cut the gel coat on either inner or outer. So I managed to hollow it out, made like long chisels and just dam it away. It took like 4.5 days. Got the cleanest we could get it, and then used like cloths tied onto, like balls of cloth tied onto end of like round bars, and cleaned all inside with also what I use is like a power hacksaw blade, the edges of it, to like try and roughen up the inside of the gel coat, just to try and get an extra mechanical bond of the, call it the inverted commas liquid transom, the resin mix. And then we went for it and we poured it. Wow, there was stuff as a mission. It's a mission to mix. It's a mission. You can't mix it with like a paint mixer. It all bundles up. So I hope this can help somebody. And we're about to test it, and then we'll see how it goes. But and it crusa board, I think it was 20 grand just for the 2 boards, and then still plus the job to part of the deck off and put it in place. So nothing wrong with my deck or the false transom. So we poured it in, and then you'll see on the other videos it was very to try and smoothen it out. And then we just cut it all off, topped it off, and then filled it up with polyester resin, and then we finished it off with pool coat. Yeah, the rest is history. Let's have a look. So if anybody wants to ask me about it and interested, they can welcome to contact me. I'm sure you'll share this, but let's hope we can help some others. Cool, man. Take it easy. Go grab a cold beer. I'm in the mood for one.
Okay, shot, Greg. So I fast forwarded the video for you guys to watch, but now this is the whole video with Greg's commentary all the way through. And Greg, what a cool job, eh? Thank you very, very much for doing this. Take it easy, and I'll catch you all later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao.
Right. Check this thing. I'm going to take a screwdriver, I'll push it in all the way. So that's bottom, that's where it ends. It's about 400 or so. I don't know. Fuck. Stressing you. Right, Operation Liquid Transom. Okay, they've all been hollowed out. I'll have to fix those down there. It's probably about here. So the transom doesn't go right down to the surprising. So you can see. Anyway, it's right through. I have to open up here. Righto. There we go. Like a flat bar at the bottom. Bolts are holding there. Spacer tubes. Check the other side here. If I can get it through. I'm going to leave that open to assist to be able to get it in there. Should be able to pack in there, and then I'll close it up after. Yeah, we're going to do this now. There's a flat bar as well. No more coach bolts holding the bottom ones here below the water line. Yeah, let's hope this works. I hope so. I see this one's a bit of a problem. And this shit is a pain in the arse to mix. Worse than mixing pap. Right, we're nearly ready. Just need to patch these over here. We're trying to compress the water out of it. Opened up here in the center. I can't get it, but it's all open right through. Take a picture from that side. That side is impossible. That is like fighting with concrete with the tweezers. Can't get in there. Yeah, it's open right to the other side. As clean as we're gonna get. There's a bit of black in the bottom there. Let's clean that out. But yeah, so the mixture's being made for me. I'll collect it on Friday with a bit of luck, and then we'll pour. So it's a special whatever something. I'll keep you posted. Yeah, looking good. I left those laminations in there. I just thought maybe just add some extra strength. But they say I mustn't put any. I was thinking of doing like a welded mesh in stainless, like 4mm round bars or something, but they said no, just leave it, pour it as it is, and close it and forget about it. That's what they say. Let's hope this works. Take this stuff here, Craigie. So you can pour it, but it's yeah. This is like the real McCoy stuff. God, this is gonna be fun to pour. Yeah, lekker. I'll keep you posted.
Is he?
Dennis with a long flippin' bolt on to mix this shit. Jesus. No, this is not easy. Lift it up and turn it. Oh, sorry, lift it up and turn it. You know what I'm saying? No, this thing didn't work. This is a joke. Should we drop my phone in this shit? This is not so easy. Turn the bucket.
Sorry.
There you go. I need a beer with this fucking stress. Jesus. If this is a cock-up, this is a monumental cock-up. Shit. But actually, if it spills on the outside, it actually pulls it back in. It's actually right. It's working. See there, just like pull it. Oh. How's it? Yes, so my little stainless steel tubes have held out. Eventually changed for dowel sticks. These bolts look okay. They're turning. Now this doesn't look. This was only used about maybe like a 10mm little layer, but it hasn't set properly yet. See the color? I don't know. My engineer didn't put enough catalyst. But it's cold and it's flipping solid all the way through. All the way. Other side. You see what I'm saying? Trying to get it smooth. This is the best we could get it, believe it or not. Yes, what a mission. So there on the inside it's all full. So I'll have to trim that all out and cut it and lower it in again and blah blah blah. Then I'll sort out this crack here with some matting and some that pull coat. But yeah, then I'll get into it. I think so, but it's flipping solid. Compared to what I had, I think balsa wood would have been better than what I had in here. But no, I'm going to leave it for a day or two, let it set. But I might just trim this off here this morning. And I don't know what I must use here. Maybe I must use a polyester body filler just to fill up these voids. What do you suggest? Thanks, eh? Thanks very much. Righto, an update of what we did. There we go. Yes, it was rough. No, still a little bit of touching up, little things to do here. Backside, there was a slight crack in the gel coat, and then we had to open up inside there to make sure that we actually had to fill in from the inside here underneath this step. And there's the battery box. So anyway, so I've glassed it in. Let's go and look at the side with that was the worst. Quite impressed. I'm impressed. With some cracks over there. I've glassed it all in. lekker. Oh, there was a crack down there. That at the moment is superficial. And there. So I'm not worried about that. Because when we were filling it with that special mix, it's actually oozing through these cracks here, so it's all bonded nicely inside. And yeah, just need to re-drill the holes, the mount holes, because they're blocked up with a bit of filler and some matting, so just re-drilling. Remember, it's got stainless steel tubes inside there, so it yeah, can't go anywhere. This one's also blocked. I'll just drill it out and clean this whole thing up and polish it up. I think the weekend we'll hang the motors, but it's flipping like, you can't believe how strong this is. Jesus, I cannot believe it. Anyway, thanks to all involved who've given their input, the two Craigs, everybody, thank you.